Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a 1xbet withdrawal problem. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xbet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, go to your menu. Once in your menu, you're going to go to the right upmost corner to settings. Once in settings, you're going to see withdraw from account. If you can't withdraw from your account, the first thing you can do is log out of your 1xbet account. Once you log out, come back and log in. Once you do that, the problem may be solved. If that's not the case, all what you have to do is come back to the previous page, scroll down, go to support, and choosing any method to contact your operator. For example, you can choose chat with operator. You just have to write your problem to the 1xbet operator and it will be solved. That was all for this video.